Hey, what's going on, guys? I know it's been a while since I've made any sort of travel content. That's because I really haven't been traveling. Like I think many people have not been due to the coronavirus. This weekend, luckily, I am doing a little bit of traveling. So I took about a 5-hour drive up to northern Wisconsin. We're in a town called Eagle River. It's actually a really popular snowmobile spot. People come here to do lots of winter sports, skiing and snowmobiling and stuff like that. In the winter. So, I think that what's interesting is that a spot like this, over Memorial Day weekend would, usually be pretty busy. We really haven't seen that many people around the lake at all. Part of that is due to it not being peak season yet up here in Wisconsin, but I can't help but think that a big part of that is that people still are not quite traveling, even to local spots, in another state, or for people that live in Wisconsin to another part of their state. I think that's pretty interesting. So it's a really cool spot. We have a really nice Airbnb up here. It's a cabin, just about 5-10 minute walk here from the lake. We're just kind of hanging out for the weekend and not do too much in terms of we're trying not to go to any bars or anything like that, even though they are open in Wisconsin, which is interesting. In the US, we've really seen kind of this state-by-state approach to the coronavirus. So for example, in Illinois, where I'm from, everyone's wearing masks in stores. Bars and restaurants aren't opening for another week or two, and even then it's going to only be outdoor seating. But here in Wisconsin, they had a Supreme Court order that basically opened up everything, and they definitely are not wearing masks that much. I was at Walmart. I would say maybe about 30% of people were wearing. In Illinois, it's mandatory everywhere, so you have pretty much 95 to 100% of people at stores like Walmart or wherever it might be wearing them. So it just really shows that really depending on where you live, this might have impacted you in different ways. So I'm going to try to kind of show you guys around some of the things we'll do this weekend. Playing a lot of games at our cabin, bags and stuff like that. We're grilling a lot of food, hanging out by the lake a lot. As you can see, I'm kind of here out on the pier, just taking a look at the lake. I think the one thing that's really cool about this spot is that at night, the view of the stars is just incredible. It's just crazy how driving just 5 hours away from Chicago can really make an impact on the light pollution and your ability to see the stars. Unfortunately, can't get a picture of them or video of them because the camera and my phone aren't quite equipped for catching stars, but it is worth the sight nonetheless.
I want a big fancy car with the top back and shopping bags filled to the brim in the back seat. I'm 23 years old, baby. Let's go. Feeling the feelings I feel, spinning my wheels, keeping it real, feeling the feelings I feel. Everybody follow me, everybody follow me, everybody follow me, follow me, follow me. I know what I want, and every day I'm rocking what I got. Set my colors free, I'm just killing me, and I make it look easy, and I make it look easy. I know what I want, I know
Please tell me you got that. You got that. You got that. All right.
No way.
Hey, Spaz.
Okay.
No, don't hit the dog.
Oh.
You know what? I was not ready to jump out.